Okay, it looks like we are live. Welcome everybody to Keenan Can Do's tonight's stream. We're just going to continue to work on the workout tracker. I think I have some things to clean up, and then we'll be kind of in a good place to see about deploying it to my local network and working on the markdown. There's a GitHub course for like markdown that I might take. Takes about an hour. Do it on the stream if we have some time, just to learn GitHub's kind of markdown. I could use Emacs org mode for the markdown, but let me go through the GitHub thing first, and then if I want to, at that point, I could do that. So I think one of the things that I want to add in here is the checkbox here. I think this should be, let's do to do. If we get to it today, we can do it. But I think this should be radio. The reason I think this should be radio is I want to make it so that in the file, in the domain of the data, even if you don't have a warm up, it will be has warm up. So you'll have has warm up if it's true or not, and then we can use that in our code to really determine if there's a warm up or not, instead of doing like, because I think with what you can do in console, like I could say I could say const test equals, and I could do a let's say Keenan, or okay, let's see, wife, right? Wife, and I could say Annie. And then I could say, let's do age, and let's do 42, okay? And then if I then close that, so then we have our test right here, test.wife, right? Now if I do const, let's do my son David, okay? He doesn't have a wife. So if I leave it out, he has an age. If I leave it out, I guess this will determine if he has an age. If I just put his age there and then I close it, can I say, if I say David.wife, right, it's just going to be undefined, right? But is undefined equal to false? I can't remember if undefined is false or not. So I can say David.wife equals false. And that's false. It's not, because undefined is a value. So I can't say if not David.wife, right? Console.log no wife. No wife. Oh, David, not David. David. So it is a falsy value. Okay, so I could do Keenan.wife. Oh, I mean, I'm test, not Keenan. Forgot I was test. And undefined, it doesn't evaluate. So undefined equals false. False. Undefined equals true. False. Undefined equals false. Not test.wife. Okay, not David.wife. Oh, okay. So undefined is truthy values. So because we just found that out, I just found out though that undefined seems to be truthy values. Falsy. Okay. All right. So that would mean, okay. So going back to our app before we start to do our to-do stuff, what we need to do is is replace this with the actual exercises that are in the data, which we get from calling this endpoint. Okay. So network, the workouts. Zero. Okay. So let's go to where we do that, which is right here. So it's the T body, and we want to add a TR for each of those. So we need to go to app.js. Okay. And we need to do a let's do function create or hydrate workout table, and that's going to be data is passed in. Okay, and we need the table T-bodily we only have one T-body, but let's still give it an ID. Let's give it an ID of workout table. Okay. All right, and then we'll do table equals document dot query selector, and then we have the ID. If I can find, oh my god. Where is, there it is. Workout table. Okay. And then we need to create for each log in data. Of data or in data? For of, for in. Can't remember sometimes. This display. Select. Looping code. For of, yeah. Okay. For of data. Okay, we want to create a TR document. Okay, so tr equals document dot create element tr. Okay. And then let's do date td equals document dot create element td. Okay, and then we have master td equals document dot create element td, and then we have progress td equals document dot create element td, and then we have level td equals document dot create element td, and then we have warm up td equals document create element td. Okay, so now we need to hydrate it with the information. Okay, so we're gonna do date td dot text content equals log dot date, and we'll fix that later. Master td dot text content equals log dot master exercise dot name, and then progress td dot text content equals log dot progression exercise, log dot progression exercise dot name, and then level td equals level td dot text content sometimes I type too fast for the thing, log dot parse int log dot oh, we don't have our level in there. We don't have level in there, so let's just Let's just put level 2 for right now. Let's add a to-do here, though. Level is not in the data. Add level. Okay. Okay, level td.text content. Okay, and now so inside of the check we could do the HTML entity. So let's do that. Has warmup td.text content equals not log not log dot warmup exercise. Warm-up exercises, then it would be an X. Where's HTML entities? HTML entities. That was a check mark. Does it not have it on here? HTML entities. Entities. Oops. Entities. Begins with an ampersand and ends with a semicolon. Oh. Oh man, is there a check mark in there? Yeah. Okay. So there's check mark. Otherwise there's and check. Oops. Circle times. Good enough. Let's see. How's this do if I do it in console? And Let's go back here. Okay. Test equals document dot create element. Let's create a I don't know, paragraph tag, I guess. Let's do H1. We shouldn't have more than one H1, but it is what it is. Test.text content equals and check. Body append child. Why is it so it doesn't show through though? How do... Oh, inner HTML. Okay. Let's do inner HTML. Why aren't they working? Do I have to do... There we go. Okay. So it is in... It is in... Okay. Okay. All right. Now we have to... Now that we've got that, we need to td dot tr dot replace children date td master. Whoops, can't spell today. td master td progress td level td as warm up td 1 2 3 4. That's it. Okay. And tr dot append child tr and then table dot append child tr. Oh, I don't need to append. I did replace children, so I don't need to do anything else. Okay. So that should give us the data. So this network here, go back. Okay, so when we load, await fetch exercises. Let's do async function fetch logs. And that is constant response equals await fetch HTTP 127.0.0.1 8000 dot workouts. Okay. Log data equals await response.json. Okay. Fetch logs. Await. Fetch logs. Then what to return? Log data. Log data equals await, and then hydrate workout table with log data. Data TD is not defined. Date. Date. Okay, let's see what we have here then. Master exercise. Oh man, that's a spelling issue. How did I do that? Oh, it's right there. Okay, I have to go change then every single one of these. Okay, that one's right. That one's right. That one's right. That one's right. So log that X. Am I spelling it wrong? Oh, exercise. Okay. Okay. Just changing it in one note here so that it's right. Okay. So let's close that again and refresh. Kernel server error. Extra data. Hanging leg raise. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Yes, we have it in there now. Why didn't... Why is the app.js not... Oh, inner HTML. Didn't I do it? Oh. You have to put... I forgot you have to put that in there. There we go. Okay. So let's go back to here. I don't like has warm-ups. I want to do... And then we'll come down here. We don't need those anymore. So this is to do is done. Now if we refresh it. What's 16? Where'd that leg right? Oh. Wait, what did I just... Oh, yeah. Go through the whole body. Yeah. Okay. The whole body. And there we go. Now we do want to make this an href. We do want a little bit of space in between this table, but that could be stuff that we do with Bootstrap or some other strap. Okay, so we have the ability to log warm-ups. Now we need to query individual warm-up. And get the information on the same. Okay, so let's go back down to here. We do want our level to be added into the data. Text content equals 2. Enter HTML, replace children, append. Doc workout table. Log of data. Okay. One thing I'm going to do, because there's not going to be ever very much, is just refresh this. What I could do, I could do table.replace children, and it would just be empty. So it gets replaced at first. Okay, and then anytime you submit a new workout, let's do a promises fetch API. Where's the fetch API again? Fetch API. We'll do try here. We'll do a try. And we'll catch error. Console error. Console.error, we'll put in the error. Whatever the error was. Okay. So what has been our status codes recently and things? 200. Response dot JSON. If response dot status equal 200, then hydrate. Okay, where is the getting of the workout data? Fetch logs, yeah. Const logs. Wait. Fetch logs. Hydrate. Workout table logs. Okay. Let's say we did one. Say we did one in the future, which we're not gonna really be able to do. Add a warm up, knee tuck. Warm up actually like bent leg raise, right? Did that. Oops. That, and then we did 20, 20, 10. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. That's good enough for me. Just a page to look at each individual workout after that. Maybe some charting in the future if I come back to it, but okay. Yeah. Log workout, previous workouts. I could put it, you know, I should do that section. Web, mark, web mode, mark. We'll see. Return. Okay. Oops. Let's see. Return. There we go. Put that below this section. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. Log workout, previous workouts. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. I like that. My wife just messaged me. Let me ask if she wants to pause the stream and talk to her. All right, so the only thing now is we want the actual love. Let's see. Remove these bars with styling later. BRs, styling later. Yeah, yeah. So let's do occur. To do. There we go. Remove these BRs with styling later. I think this should be a radio. Let's do that one. Okay. Let's go look at radio again. Input type. Okay. Oh, so it doesn't need to be radio. I actually had the right. Okay. Uh, yeah, because. Okay. Okay, so. But what I need to do is. Yeah, I already did that. Okay. What I need to do though is go back to app. Okay. And I need to find hydrate warm up. There we go. Warm up exercises. I had a situation where it was duplicating. Okay, so hydrate warm up progress index, warm up options, array from event sliced, new options, warm up options, new options push, replace children, new options, warm up exercise. Is it? Was it down? Where else is warm up? No. Show hide warm up. That's it. Okay. These are removed on toggle. Yeah, yeah. Okay. To do, make sure that these are removed on toggle. So what is the values of What is the value of, go here. Is there a mark whole line? Mark. Oh. That's not what I want. Just want to mark to the end. They're marked to end of sentence. Mark. Okay. Oh. Field set. Let's add it as a global variable. Okay. So temp one dot check. False. Okay. So if it's checked, we want to add these. Set one label. Input, create element. Input to after. Okay. Yeah, let's do it in here. So if check value, right? Then we want to do all of that stuff. So now if we select an option that and then add a warm up, but then if we select another option, take our warm up and add, oh no, added it again. So I need to remove okay, so we have the label. So that's actually kind of not doing what I want it to do. I need to reset. So we need to reset. So let's reset. How should we reset? Again, I'm not a web developer, but I'm developing for the web. Oh man, okay. So we say set one label. Oh, name. Let's see. Document. Dot query selector. Query selector all. Input. Name equals warm up. That one. Okay. Dot remove. For each E document dot remove. Is there a document dot remove? Move child E. Uncaught failed to execute. The node to be removed is not child of this node. Okay, is there just document dot remove? Destroy E dot destroy. Let's look at the documentation for a minute here. Documentation. Remove element. Element remove. Yeah. Okay. E dot remove. Aha. That's how we do it. Okay. So we can remove them first. So we'll do document on each time. All right, query selector. And we'll do input. We could have did an ID for him. How come? Actually, they should have an ID. Let's do. You know, they could have a class. That would even be better. Let's do warm up. Warm up input. Okay. Dot, and that's all. Query selector all. And then that would be dot for each. Let's do it under. Okay. Dot for each. E goes to E dot remove. Okay, now I need just to add input one class list add warm up input. see, class list. Do we just get to add to the class list? I think we can. Class list. Uh-huh. Read only. Oh. Add. Yeah, okay. Now, if we refresh, and we select this, we add we could put some information. Or say, oh no, I want actually leg raise, and then this. And then we can add our warm up. Take it away. We could do a different one. Vertical pull up. We can add our warm up. Okay, cool. Cool. Now, when we added, here, let's delete this. When we added the workout, let's say the 13th one, and let's say we did one arm push up, we're doing this. When we added it, did it refresh the screen afterwards? Did it blank out everything in the form? It did not blink out everything in the form. Well, we could choose a new one because we're already going to be there again for the next exercise. Yeah, and this time I can add a warm-up. 20, 15, do 20 and 20. Okay, and then submit. Yeah, and they're both added. They're both added to the thing. I do need to add some validation. I don't know how I want to do that. I don't know if I want to do that through... What was the unprocessable entity? What was it? Payload. Oh, because did I delete this or something? Wait a second. Does it come back? Yeah, it should be in zeros. So we add... Oh, those aren't zeros. Okay. Those need to be zeros too. So we'll just do input 1 dot value equals 0. Input 2 dot value equals 0. Oops. Okay, and then we save that. Add a warm up. We got values in there, 0. Boom, boom. Now if I submit it, oh, we need a date. Let's do it was the first. Value must be greater than or equal to 10. Okay. Good. Okay, so then we don't need these previous workouts then. I could change it to this, the most workout. But right now it's working. So we have warm-ups. Okay, so what was the next thing that we needed to do? Let's go to Control G. Oh. Meta G. Oh. Meta G. Move to column. Insult. Go to char. Go to word. Next error. Buffer. Okay. All right, so we have the exercise there. This fix this as it won't work with API implementation. Did I fix this already? Let's do occur in here. Yeah, to do. All right, so we have line 9. Oh, yeah. Level is not in the data. Okay. Okay. Okay, level is not in the data. Add level. So when I query for the data, we'll work out date information to the model. That way can we use it in the list of workouts and essentially use a RESTful route. Yeah, that's going to be for ID. Let's see if we can add date information to the model. That way we can then use it in the list of workouts and essentially use a RESTful route. So let's go through this. Okay, so when we add the workout, we can add the level here for the progression exercise. Yeah. So we can add the level here. Level, exercise. Progressions. Oh, it would just be exercise log. Wait a second. Exercise log dot progression exercise +1 plus, right? Yeah. What? What's wrong with that? Oh, we don't have that in Python. I forgot we don't have that in Python. Plus equals 1. Okay. Invalid syntax. Plus, just +1. Come on, Keenan. There we go. Okay, so then the level would be in there. Now we'd have to go add the level to the data that we already have here, which is fine. Shouldn't take too long to do that. Alright, so here they are. Okay, date, name, level. I don't know what the level is for that. 4? Kneeling push-up? No, 3? That's level 3, I think. Okay. Alright. Hanging leg raise, knee tuck. That is level 1. Alright. Incline push up. That is level 2. Okay. One arm pull up, horizontal pull up. That's level 2. Level 2. Oh. Hanging leg raise, knee tuck. That is level 1. Leg raise, frog leg raise. Is that level like 3 or 4? I don't know. Level 4, I want to say. Okay, so then that means that in our JS, we have the ability to say log dot progression exercise dot level. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, expected property name enclosed in double quotes. Property name enclosed in double quotes. 123. Which one's not enclosed in double quotes? Level. 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 Oh, that's not. So these are in the level. 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 Oh. Okay. And there you go. There's the levels. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Got our levels and name, and if there's any warm-ups associated with them. So I can, as it is right now, I can start utilizing this to track workouts. Now what we'd like to do is have these as hrefs that point towards, back towards the API and go to that day's workout information. Which, did we have an HTML for that? I can't remember. Log HTML, right? Yeah. Okay. So let's go to log. See what that looks like. Oh, log.html. Okay. So warm up, wall push-up, sets, main exercise, beginner, standard. Oh, the standard things. Oh, I haven't added. Oh, excuse me. I didn't add notes either yet for the ability to add notes. Man. This doesn't do a lot, but it's getting big, and I apologize for that, you guys. Yeah, there's the index. Then we can go back to the log. Okay, so this is log. And that would need essentially a new... I do feel like putting this in a file. Did I add that? Move this to a file as well. Okay. I will do that, but that's not tonight. Where is... Here's the root, workout ID. Oh, man. What do you guys think I should do here? If it was your app and you were doing this. Yeah, so after this, if I don't get more kind of YouTube stuff, I think I'm going to move towards Twitch. Just see if Twitch gets any more usage. Okay, so this would be a similar thing where it's the TR. Notes. I didn't have a notes in there either. Go back. So I log, but I can't really look at individual workouts yet with the way it is. Add oh yeah, instead of the template. Yeah. Okay, so how I'll have to have a new JS. I have to have a new JavaScript file because it's going to be a new. Yeah. Because the redirect. Huh. Because we redirect. Yeah. Because I'm going to call that endpoint, get the response. But then. How do I do this? Yeah, it essentially has to be a call. It has to be a call to another JavaScript file. And there's no. So I guess when the document's ready, I would make a call like this. No, not like that. I mean, yeah, like this. So we might extract that out later. And we do log.js. Save that. And then we gotta fetch. We don't have a submit. So this one's not needed actually. What we do have is index. Where's my script tag? There it is. Okay. And then we change this one to log.js. Okay, and then we'll have in here. In the event. Okay. Yeah. All right, you know what? That's going to be enough for tonight. I'm going to go upstairs, hang out with the wife for a little bit. Does anybody have anything to say? Let's see, is there a concurrent viewer right now? What does concurrent viewers mean? The number connected to the stream at the most recently available time. Well, views is the total amount of views. Was viewed while it was live. Concurrent viewers, the number of viewers connected to the stream at the most recently time. So if you're there, say hi. I am about to, I think, end for the night though. This is kind of where we got to. We'll just, you know what, we could change the hrefs for right now. Let's do that. We'll change the hrefs to point towards not those. Let's do date.td. We need a href in there. We could do date a equals document dot create element a tag a dot href equals log dot html. And then date td dot append child equals date a, but this is wrong. This is supposed to be date a. Okay, now let's see what happens. Oh no, okay. Date a dot text content. Okay. I know now. Whoops. It's here. It would be date a. Date a dot text content. And then there we go. So for now, this is just going to go to that workout. It's going to be the same workout for all of them. Yep. Okay. Yes, I think that's about it for tonight. So let's do a Majit status. Let us track this and this. And we'll stage that. And then we'll what's test dot on stage? Log HTML. Yeah. Okay. Control C. C. Clean up some code and work on the API front end for history. Okay. And pushing. All right. Thanks everybody for joining Keenan Can Do today. Hope you got some stuff out of the stream. I will see you later. All right, bye.